Okay, hi everyone. We're going to the Powell Fest. Yay! Opinion, Yoshi. Yay! This is my first festival ever, and it might be the only one I'll ever go to. Yay!
Attack rocks.
Yeah, I got play. Say the hamster balls. Harder! That was an awesome slide. The best slide ever. This slide! About 5 to 10 stories high. So, yay! Fireworks! Hooray! It is about 10:15 and we are watching awesome fireworks. So, oh, and those were colorful. That looked like the earth. And more colors! First fireworks ever! This rocks! I'm glad we came here. Was that just Pikachu's face? Think so. Oh, I'm tired. It's been a long day. My eyes. Now let's just take random pictures while we're near this soda bottle. Time for hula hooping in the dark during fireworks. So here's Yoshi. You're out. Darn. Toad's turn. You're out. Luigi's turn. Yay! You're out. Now my turn. I'm out. So, these are amazing fireworks. And now for the grand finale. So, big balls are awesome, big balls are fun. We've got to give you our opinion. Yoshi, 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 it's fun. The end. You know what? You know how most stories end happily? This story isn't ending that happily. I mean, look at that window. Well, you can't see it, so. That was not that happy. But it was still fun going down that slide and everything. Yoshi, the best slide ever. What about that obstacle course? Laser tag, booger fight, the hamster ball. The fireworks! How did we forget about those? Who knows? We're just happy we're in the car all together. Yeah, we could have been left.
Ellie can see them.
Yay!
Ellie can see them.
The end. Happy 4th of July! Yoshi! Make sure to watch episode 2. Going to the beach together with fireworks. How do we know all about this? We haven't been planning it. Just we're going on the 4th of July. Yeah, so 9.5 hours of play, goof off, awesome wing caps. When did we get those? Earlier, remember? Oh yeah. He's right. Oh yeah, he is. So, see you soon. No, we're serious. We're making the next video on Wednesday. So, it's gonna be a couple day episode. So, yeah, we're gonna watch the sunrise. We'll have to get up pretty. Yeah. So, see you on episode 2. Bye.